we came 1,600 miles to meet these guys. They're excited. It's like Christmas morning. Annette, how do you feel?
Like this. Like this.
All right, it's about to pull in. Here it comes, you guys. Hey, you guys. If you haven't heard, the whole world is stressed out right now. What we've been doing up here in Duluth, Minnesota, on the shores of Lake Superior, people have been noticing. And this is a little bit of a kickoff to something we've been working on for months and months and months. And that is that people have been coming to us and they've been saying, hey, teach me what you're doing. Can we do that in our town? Can we launch something like that? Our people are stressed out too. How do we help them with that? And I want you in this video to meet Annette and the whole crew at Kodawari Yoga from Tampa, Florida. They are amazing down there. And months ago, they came to us and said, hey, we run this amazing yoga studio right in the heart of Tampa. It is for everyone. We want everybody to be involved and a part of it. And they said, we need a sauna. And I believe if we can do amazing sauna experiences in the heart of the cold north and the beautiful sun and warmth, I think there's something. I think this is going to continue all over the US. This is a great example of it. This is the cross-country road trip. Annette, these are your keys, all right? Your keys to your new sauna. It's on hydraulics. We got the door locked. We're ready to go. And here we go from Duluth to Milwaukee to Chicagoland to Chattanooga to Atlanta down to Tampa. Here we go. This is the cross-country road trip, bringing a sauna all the way to the Sunshine State. Here we go. Ken, what are we doing in Milwaukee?
What are we doing in Milwaukee? Well, first of all, we're welcoming Cedar and Stone to the Iron Horse Hotel. What a backdrop.
Look at it. Look at her.
Unbelievable.
She's great. And here we are back there.
Yeah, and the first inaugural christening of this mobile unit, which is on its way to Tampa, and introducing the folks of Milwaukee to Nordic sauna experiences.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Boom. Boom. Here we go. What a night, Milwaukee. You guys are great. Iron Horse, unbelievable. Unbelievable. So much amazingness. We've been hanging out all evening up at this pergola here, come in the sauna, enjoy, warm up, do the cold plunge, hang out, food, drinks. It's been outstanding. So Milwaukee, you are delivering in my book. Can't wait to come back. If anybody knows anybody in Milwaukee, tag them below. We want to hear your Milwaukee stories. We want to meet you. We want to keep doing this here. All right, Chicago, we made it. Cedar and Stone in Chi-Town, the Windy City, and we are here with my good friend Kev. Kev, good to be in your town.
Yeah.
North Side.
North Side Chicago, Chicago Sweat Lodge.
We brought our sauna, but we are going to traditional Russian banya, Turkish hammam, and would you say one of the best saunas in town?
The best Chicago sauna.
Here we go. Let's go, guys. Just spent some great time at the Chicago Sweat Lodge. You guys, woo, good heat in there. And now we got to go to Aurora. We got a sauna launch in Aurora. We'll take you there tonight. We'll show you what's going on there. But hey, old world sauna. These guys have been doing it here. This is Russian, Ukrainian, beautiful, old craftsmanship. I mean, so good. What a good experience here. Yes, Ken's getting ready. He's got it. Here we are in Aurora, Illinois, at the cutest little backyard sauna project setup. We got a fire in the back. We have an amazing custom-built internal to the home sauna that's just taken off, and we're gonna show it to you. It's gonna be super fun. We're gonna host some folks tonight. Can't wait for you to join. Here, let's do a little tour. Let's see the grounds. Ready? Let's go. Thanks, Aurora. We're heading through the mountains today. Come on, Tennessee. We're going. Ken, what a night in Aurora. What a night.
What a night.
All right, here we go. We're going to the mountains.
Safe travels.
See you.
All right.
All right, guys, here we are, father-son road trip, day 3. If you haven't met him yet, this is Wade Juntinen. Wade,
Hi, folks.
say hi to everybody. My dad, Wade, has taught me so much about sauna over the years. One of my first memories of sauna was building a sauna in the basement in our home when I was 3. Do you remember that, Dad?
I do.
We've built saunas in the backyard, by the lake, in the basement,
Yep.
all over.
All over we built them.
Family history, family tradition. What do you think about getting to go on a road trip like this and the business? And I don't know, any thoughts?
The business is doing great. If you don't have a sauna or have never done one, you should try one. Highly recommend this company.
Got a sales rep here, guys.
Exactly. Although I'm just the driver, I tell everybody.
I mean, a heck of a driver. So Dad has driven long distances and big heavy things for years and years and years, and so this road trip is sort of like the back of his hand. Hey, let's go drive across the country and haul a mobile sauna, which is super fun. Where are we right now?
We are at Raccoon Mountain, Chattanooga, Tennessee, on top of the mountain.
On top of the mountain. Look at this, you guys. There's a reservoir up here, mountains looking over. We'll show you some more shots of it, but it is gorgeous. And yesterday was the haul. We made basically from Chicagoland area all the way down to Chattanooga, so a lot of time in the truck.
12-hour drive yesterday.
12-hour day. So this one feels fun to pause.
Some beautiful scenery. Get ready for our last leg.
Last leg. Here we go. Chattanooga to Tampa.
Yep.
Should we do this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's get the straps on and
Straps on, wheels going. Let's go.
let's go trucking.
So we're driving on this super ridiculous spot. Look at this. It's unbelievable. In the mountains here, a lake reservoir here. This is insane. Taking this puppy all the way to Tampa, Florida, Sunshine State. Here we go. Dad, you ready?
We're ready.
Tampa, here we go. Go time here in Tampa. Sauna's here. Josiah's here. Flying the drone. I want you to meet somebody because we came 1,600 miles to meet these guys. Look at, they're excited. It's like Christmas morning. Annette, how do you feel?
Like this. Like this.
All right, it's about to pull in. Here it comes, you guys. did it. What do you think?
Made it.
Made it. She's in her forever resting place in Tampa. A couple of guys from the north hanging out in the south. We would have put some sunscreen on.
Better get some on quick.
Look at how pretty it is.
The big reveal.
All right.
Step on in.